These 5 drinks will help you cleanse your lungs in the best possible ways. Number 1. Mealythy tea. Also known as licorice, mealythy tea is known to treat many winter-related diseases, such as cold and cough. Other than this, it is ideal to give your lungs a good cleanse. It is a must-have during days when you feel a little feverish due to the cold winter breeze. Regular consumption of mealythy tea is also likely to lower the risk of suffering from heart diseases, as it contains elements that may remove deposited grease in the arteries. Number 2. Lemon, ginger, and peppermint tea. Winter morning is supposed to begin with something powerful and refreshing. The lemon, ginger, and peppermint tea is exactly what we are talking about. The lemon will freshen up your mind, ginger will give you energy, and peppermint will relax your throat. All of these are known to be great detoxifying agents, as they are loaded with antioxidants. Besides benefiting your lungs, the tea is also amazing for your digestive system. Number 3. Turmeric ginger drink. Turmeric is one of the most wholesome elements in the kitchen. Regarded as an ideal superfood, turmeric is packed with curcumin, which is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-cancerous, and antitoxic in nature. Mixing turmeric along with ginger will give you a perfect boost during winters by removing harmful toxins from the body while protecting the organs from further air pollution damage. Number 4. Honey and warm water. Warm water on its own is very effective in detoxifying your body. When clubbed with a natural sweetener like honey, the drink becomes far more powerful to tackle attacks from free radicals. The honey warm water drink is especially great to help your lungs to fight pollutants. This is because honey has anti-inflammatory properties, which are effective in reducing inflammation. Number 5. Apple, carrot, and beetroot smoothie. Fruits and veggies are a great source of nutrients to keep the body and mind healthy. A yummy smoothie of apple, carrot, and beetroot is one of the best winter detox drinks, for it is extremely fibrous and is packed with vitamin C and many other compounds effective in controlling and preventing asthma. It is most importantly good to cleanse your respiratory system. Therefore, one should include this winter detox drink in the daily diet.